Hi. Okay, so I actually made a video maybe a couple months ago. I think it was back in October, which is now like 4 months ago. And I just stumbled across it and I realized I actually forgot about this video. We got so busy in the fall with our films and with Art of Documentary and our summit, I forgot to post this video. So when I stumbled across this video today on my hard drive, I thought, I need to post this video. But here's the thing, there's probably gonna be some inaccuracies in this video. I haven't watched the whole thing, so I'm gonna watch it live with you guys and I'm gonna pop into this video every once in a while. Anyways, let's just get right into it. This is passive income. Wanted to make this to help you guys be able to make more money as filmmakers and go full-time in your careers. So let's watch Passive Income by Mark Bone together. Hey, passive income. Fabio has entered the chat. Bit of a misconception. You've probably been sold a lot of lies already on various YouTube ads and people showing you their Amazon bank accounts and that they're making a lot of money. But here's the thing, passive income requires a lot of non-passive effort. This idea that you could just do something overnight and suddenly be making lots of money happens once in a while to someone who maybe mistakenly bought a Bitcoin 10 years ago. But for the majority of us, there is hard work to be had, and that's okay because you will reap the benefits from the hard work you start putting in today. We're gonna talk about that. I'm gonna talk with one of the best people I know at making, quote, passive income, and he's gonna talk about some of the misconceptions around that. Fun fact, Matti actually asked me to start his channel with him, but I told him, I don't think YouTube was right for filmmakers. Probably won't take off. I was kind of wrong. But first off, I wanna show you these. These are bricks of gold. They're my hard drives. But this was the quickest way that I found I could make money while I wasn't working. See, you have a ton of footage and photos that never made it to the light of your projects, or maybe they're even part of your projects. But there's many stock video websites out there that want this footage. Right away, early in my career, I was able to start making money off footage I shot on film supply. So I highly recommend to you, take some time. This is gonna be some non-passive effort, some actual literal effort. Sort through your hard drives, reach out to a website that sells stock video and get your content on there. It's worth the effort in the long run. Doesn't make you money right away, but over time, it's a slow trickle. And that's kind of the whole thing with passive income. There's not one big gravy train. There's lots of little taps you turn on and slowly this becomes a rushing river, hopefully, sort of, kind of. Quickly, let's go over just a few areas of passive income. But first off, there's real estate. This is buying a house or property. Second off is digital products. This is selling something online like LUTs or a course. Then of course you have affiliate links. This is someone else selling a product, but you make a little cut of it. Next, as I mentioned, stock footage. And lastly is investments. We're talking stocks or crypto, which be careful, there's a lot of coins out there. But while you go find your hard drives that you're going to upload and start selling that footage today, I'm gonna go talk to my friend. Let's go see a very old friend.
Yo, yo,
hey.
What's going on?
What happened? Hey! It's Teppo. What are you showing me? Oh, yes.
It's your Christmas present. We want to donate to you.
I'll take it.
I don't know if I have the authority to do that.
This Christmas, you have a chance to make a donation that will last a lifetime.
You know what's fun? 4 months later, look what got sent to me. And they haven't even seen this video, so thank you, DJI. You knew. He's awake. Oh, that's crazy. Look at this. Hey!
I gifted him.
It only took me 30 seconds to Good to see you. Good to see you.
I'm DPing for Mark again.
Yeah. Hey! That's how we started off.
There's some gaff.
Yeah.
Is this electric gaff? I don't understand how you're doing YouTube without a flip LCD screen. Sony, we need a new camera for Mark here. Can we please donate one?
This Christmas, you have a chance to make a donation.
A7 IV, A7S3,
FX3.
FX3.
I'm gonna hit the million mark. Get the flip screen. Good to see you. It's been incredible
hanging out.
Yeah, it's good seeing your journey. Talking about passive income, you're fantastic at this. You've taught me a bunch about it. Which one kind of misconception you think that people have around passive income?
I'd say the biggest misconception is the idea of passive income. It sounds so like, all right, like I'm just making money right now. This is so, but like I have never, even though I love what I do, I've never worked harder in my life. And I have more passive income streams than most people have in the world. There are ways to like consistently make money off a thing that you did, but usually you still have to like maintain it or advertise it or something still. It doesn't just continue forever and ever and it's like a money tree. Stock footage is like, that's probably like closest thing to like a actual passive, but even with that, you have to put a lot of work in.
You had to shot it.
Yeah, exactly. Learned a ton, have a camera, shot it, and then you still have to kind of get lucky with like what company you get in with stock footage.
I don't know if you had the chance to go watch our film Mile by Mile, but it's a short documentary we made last November in just a few weeks. I'm really proud of what my team was able to do in a short amount of time. But because we were a bit rushed, I actually forgot our drone the one day on the shoot. So I wanted to use it for an establishing shot, so we didn't have an opening shot to the film. So this shot you see at the beginning of the film, I didn't actually shoot it. I went and I got that off Storyblocks, which is actually who's sponsoring today's video. If you're not familiar with Storyblocks, it's an incredible library of over 1 million assets, from video content for shots that you're missing, to After Effects templates, images to sound effects. They seem to have it all. And what's great is it's an unlimited use subscription that you have, or if you're a team like us, they have enterprising solutions for you to use with multiple users. And what's also really cool now too is they have a new maker mode where you can actually build your graphics right there on the website. So if you haven't checked out Storyblocks, I put a link below. You can go look at them. They have flexible plans for every type of creator, which can work within your budget. I'm genuinely glad that I have Storyblocks to help fill in those gaps in my projects or help correct mistakes when you forget your drone on your shoot. So go check out Storyblocks and also go check out Mile by Mile. But let's get back to talking about passive income.
But I think like the actual most true passive income is investments. Like,
yes.
And that's the thing that I've been learning a ton from is like anybody can make passive income and you just save and invest. Like instead of buying the new camera, use your old camera, save that $4,000 or whatever it is, invest it, and then after a couple years, you're gonna have a couple $1,000s extra, and then you can buy a new camera for free.
I think that's anytime you have an asset and your money's an asset, it can be working for you.
Yeah.
So putting in investments, even my camera gear, I rent out all my camera gear.
Yeah.
And it's not necessarily that I have to do that financially to pay my rent, but it's sitting there and it can slowly be making me money.
Yeah, and this is not a knock. I think it's incredibly important to focus on passive income streams and maximize your revenue streams. Get as many, random course here or random stock footage there or affiliate link or whatever it is, selling this product or that thing. Get it all in there, and that means that you're gonna be, if you're doing YouTube or whatever, you're gonna go full-time earlier, or you're gonna reach your goals way sooner than if you're just like, no, I only do this one thing.
I hate all these clickbait titles that are like, I'm making 5,000 a day. It's like, it takes time. So ultimately, just work harder.
Work smarter, not harder.
I
think that's the true essence of passive income. It's not always just working harder and more, just working a little bit smarter and setting yourself up for the future. And that's what passive income is in the end.
That B-roll has nothing to do with this shoot. Anytime I see the sun, I gotta shoot it. And also, I'm gonna sell that for stock footage, those shots.
And since I made this video, that commercial came out. Listen, this video is seeming like it's getting really long. I'm actually gonna post the rest of this video later this week, so you can tune in to see who else I go visit. A lot of stuff has changed in this person's life, so it's cool. This is a little time capsule from that moment back in October, and it's crazy. I love the guy. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video so far. This has been so fun. Even though you're not in this room, I feel like I'm getting to watch it with you, getting to watch a video, getting to watch the video that I already made. It's like I'm getting to watch my channel with you guys. This has never happened. This is fun. Anyways, there's some tips on passive income. Leave some questions below, and if you want to know more about passive income and running your business, you know what I'm going to say. Go check out The Art of Documentary. It's our course. We're reopening March 7th.
We have a whole section in Module 2 about running your business. Me and Mike talk about how to take it to 6 figures and give you all the details of why we've been able to run film production companies now for, I think mine is going on since 2008, Mike's is since 2011. So in our course, we break down all the tips that we have for how to run a successful business, how to be a better documentary filmmaker, and ultimately how to pursue your dreams and passions so that you can create the films and enjoy the work that you're making. Anyways, thank you for watching this one, and I'll see you on the next one, part 2. Check in later this week.